Morning. Hi. So I thought I'd show you around the warehouse a little bit this morning. Just how many boxes there are in here. All the trade orders ready to go out. These are all the cushion pads, Arga covers, Arga mats. So this is all the buckles and belts and different things going on. Excuse me Rodney, excuse me Fred. So this is the back room where we store all the fabric. Some we keep for longer than others, some are kind of real archive prints, some we sell through the website, some we wait and we make some dresses from them. Oh well, thanks for showing us round.